Hey everybody, this is Vince. I'm going to show you today how to use Facebook Friend Connector Chrome extension to get a bunch of friends and do it automatically. All you have to do is go to the button there, click on Settings, and you need to add a message segment. So this is just going to be suggested friends outreach. And I'm just going to say a couple different versions. So hi, first name, how's it going? And create another one saying, hey, I saw you on my suggested friends list. And we'll add that, save that segment, and you'll see why I'm doing the segment and other stuff as we go along. All right, so click on groups. Here's the group. I'm just going to go general outreach for a title, and we'll put in a message segment now and the segments that we've already created there. So I'm going to save that group, and of course I have to actually add it. And then we click Save Message Group. Wait a second for that, and now we go to the settings page. So the cool thing about the settings page is you can manage how you react to friend requests, and whether you want to send a message for your friend request, you want to decline or accept friend requests automatically. That you can see the general outreach here is the only message that I've created. So that's the only one we've got. And you can see here, send message when you receive a new friend request. Maybe you want to say something like, thanks for the friend request, I've added you. Same thing here. So we'll go ahead and save that. And we'll go back to check on groups. We've got groups and we've got that. So what we're going to do now is go back to the home button and we're going to schedule all of our requests here. So I'm going to say we'll just do 20 requests at a time. Don't need to mess with those. Those are kind of best effort settings, so don't need to do that. We will check this here. And you can see I'm on my suggested friends list. So you can go ahead here, and what that'll do is up to 20 people, it'll send a friend request. So I'm going to click that. And what that extension will do, you can see on my top left here, it's going out and opening up a couple of tabs. So this does have to have your computer running in order for it to run. And it's going to go through there and send friend requests. So I generally don't say between 30 to 60 seconds. To be safe, I usually say 5 minutes, and I just walk away, let it go, and that's pretty much it. So that's not the message that I really wanted to send to a bunch of people. That was just for a demo. All right, so Facebook Friend Connector, it's a great way to automate sending out messages. So this example is in suggested friends, but of course we can go to a group. And so this is my group. You can go to any group you're a member of and do exactly the same thing. Go to all the people that are a member of it, and you can basically say, here's this group, and you can send friend requests to everyone in this group. So very easy to do. You've got your different templates. You go back into the settings and really tailor it to who your audience is going to be. All right, so with Friend Connector, you can go to any group that you're a member of and go to the people, and then you can go ahead and create a new segment in a new group with a new message to be sent, and you can specify what you want to send out to everybody in the group. If you decide that you don't want to send it out to everybody, you can always go ahead and change, so you skip like the moderators. You don't want to send it to the moderators. You have that option in here.